Hi, my name's Dave. I'm the quality manager at Viking Packaging. I'm going to give you a demonstration of our quality checker box. The last part of it is I get one of the boxes that are glued. So I fold them, make sure the flaps fold right, there's no creep, there's no gaps. The glue tab folds right, it's not sticking out. That the box folds up good. And the final check is I rip the glue tab to make sure it holds and that it's not going to just pop open down the line.
Hello everyone, we're here at the Viking Industry here in New Cross. My role here is a machine operator. So about every 10 boxes we do take a quality check just to make sure everything is up to standard. On the spec, the customer insists that the measurement to be 1 3/4. So you want to check that all around the box just to make sure that's correct. So we're just going to go ahead right here and make a box real fast just to make sure that there's no cracking. It folds pretty neatly along the seam, the score.